Hello YouTube, this is Red Survival and welcome to the inaugural video, I guess you would call it, of everything that has to do with slingshots, survival gear, and things of that nature. Sorry I'm so shaky, I just got off work and I'm using my telephone. So I got a package today from simpleshot.com. In there should be my slingshot tying jig and my dead ringer BB shooter. So let's open it up and find out. Yeah, I decided to do an unboxing video for my first video, so here goes nothing. Hopefully I'm talking loud enough. Sorry, I'm so shaky. Pretty excited. That's my ordering information. Hey, look at that. They gave me a pencil. Little freebie pencil. It's pretty cool. Never have too many pencils. Now to the meat and potatoes. Oh, look at that little guy. Tell me he ain't cute. Oh, I'm excited. In later videos, I'll give you a little review of it. Oh, that's cute. Pretty psyched. The owner's manual for it came with it. And here's the jig. Some clamps and pegs to hold the clamps. Wow, that's a lot of rubber. I didn't think it came with that much rubber. Latex. Oh, I'm pretty psyched. I'm afraid to be getting my Gamekeeper Pocket Poacher Super Grip in aluminum from Milbro Casting. It's here in the US, getting shipped from the UK, but look at all that rubber. Latex. Look at that. I didn't think it came with that much. I'm super pumped, guys. Look at that. Here's the actual jig. I suck at tying them freehand, so that's why I bought this. I'll do a video on how to tie them. So, thanks for watching. I'll give you the backside view. Pretty stoked. Well, thank you. Till next time.